If you're a business traveler or a student, you're gonna wanna watch this review. I have here a gadget from IOGEAR that may make your life a little bit easier and ergonomic in the process. You can see, very compact little thing. Watch the video to learn more about what it is. Hey, HighTechDad, and I'm gonna guess that a lot of students and mobile warriors, people on the go, are gonna wanna take a look at this device from IOGEAR. So this is the USB-C Dock Pro 6-in-1 4K dock stand. And I think it fills a nice little space for people who want an ergonomic design to rise up their laptop when they're working, or put it even higher up and have an external keyboard and have the laptop as an external monitor. What's really nice about it is it's very compact. You can see very, very thin. When this is all folded up, it really doesn't take up much space. And as I'll show in the unboxing, it has a very unique design where it opens up and then it has some arms that pivot up to hold your laptop at whatever angle that you want it to have to make it more ergonomic for you. It does have the sort of basic required ports on here that I'll talk about in a second, but I really like the fact that it is so portable and so lightweight that I do think that students who are in a dorm room, my daughter's just moved into college, they might really like this. They may try to steal it from me. I may have to get a couple of them so that everyone can be happy with them. So let's take a look at how it works, how the setup is, and some of the other features about it. Let's see what's inside the IOGEAR USB-C Dock Pro 6-in-1 4K dock stand. So fairly small box, haven't opened it yet. Kind of a cool small little setup here. So carefully packaged. Let's see what's inside. And so this is the dock itself. You can see it's fairly compact. It's got a USB-C cord that's wrapped up inside. On the outside, you can see there is a USB-C 50 gigabits per second port, Ethernet, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI, and hidden away inside here is an important little USB-C port. This is where you're going to put in your PD, your power from the wall that's going to power the dock and then your laptop itself. So one thing I really like about the IOGEAR Dock Pro is the fact, as I mentioned, that it is very compact. So this is going to be key for students to just throw in a bag, for people on the go, mobile travelers, that sort of thing. Fairly lightweight, but then it's got this great sort of scissor opening that extends it out, and you can see there are some grips down at the bottom. That's where you're going to place your laptop, and then it pivots up, if I can figure out how to do it, so that you can have different angles for the laptop itself. So you can see these are independent here, and there are little arms that extend out, and you can adjust it to different settings. So you can see this is fairly upright, and there are little notches that these slip right into, and it holds it fairly steady. It's easy to adjust. You can put it lower and continue all the way down. I would probably have it at the lowest setting because I don't use an external keyboard. But here you can see the angle, and again, these are independent, so you can adjust it to various angles to your liking. So then on the bottom is this storage for the cable supply, so that it all folds up nicely. But you'll take this out and you'll attach this to your laptop once you have it fully extended, you can plug it right into the side of your laptop and then adjust the risers here to whatever height that you want. So let's take a look at how it would look on a laptop and the angles. So I have 4 cables here. They're all going to work great with this IOGEAR Pro dock. So I have my HDMI for my external monitor. I have my PD, my power supply that I'm going to plug into the hub. I have an Ethernet port that will go right into this Ethernet port. And then I have an external hard drive for backups that will go into one of the 2 USB-C or USB-A ports. So let's set it up. So here you can see the dock is extended. I have it actually at the lowest setting. So a couple of things that I've hooked up. As I mentioned, the power supply goes underneath, plugs in there. This is the external attached USB-C that will plug into your laptop. And then I've attached Ethernet, USB-A to a hard drive, and then an HDMI. So very simple setup, and let's take a look at how it'll look with the laptop resting on it. Okay, it's all set up. The Mac's on the IOGEAR stand. You can sort of see what the riser level is, hides away a bunch of the cords underneath. Just one cord plugging in on the laptop, and it does give enough of a slant so you can still type and view the larger monitor behind it. Now optionally you could have the angle a lot higher, put it off to the side, and then use it as an external display, and then have a keyboard in front. I don't know if I have enough desk space for that, but this is basically what the setup is. So anyway, I have a little bit more information on my website, and that's at www.HighTechDad.com. If you have questions about this or other products that I've reviewed, you can ask me on Twitter. I'm at HighTechDad. Head over to my Facebook page and you can engage in conversations there, and that's at facebook.com/HTD blog. And obviously subscribe to my channel. I do post product reviews, not too regularly, but enough so that you can at least get some ideas on new tech that's coming out. Be sure to subscribe and like below, and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions. So check back later. I'll be having more reviews. Hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.